Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the rotate function in Unity to control the rotation of your game objects. What is rotate in Unity? Every object has a transform component that controls its position, rotation, and scale. Rotation allows us to rotate an object on the X, Y, or Z axis. We can achieve this using transform, rotation, or transform.Rotate. Before we move on to the coding part, it's important to understand that every object in Unity has three rotation axes, X, Y, and Z. These axes determine how an object rotates in different directions. X controls tilting up and down, Y controls turning left and right, and Z controls rolling sideways. Now, let's take a look at how we can rotate an object using code in Unity. We will use the transform.Rotate function, which allows us to rotate an object along the X, Y, and Z axes. In this case, we are applying rotation to the Y axis. As a result, our object will continuously rotate around the Y axis at a speed of 50 degrees per second. Now, let's test it and see how it looks in action. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unity tutorials. See you in the next video.